Bonjour, I am Jacques Torres and welcome to Tuesday Tips. Valentine is around the corner and it's a beautiful celebration because we celebrate love. So I want to show you how to do something not too complicated and I'm sure will take not too long. I'm going to first make a jam with some beautiful raspberry. You don't have to make the jam, you can buy it. I love to make it. So I have 350 grams of beautiful fresh raspberry. Then I'm going to smash that. I'm going to smash that with a little bit of sugar, 100 grams, and 10 grams of pectin. Okay. So this jam is not too sweet. Usually jam have as much sugar than fruits. This one has not even 1/3. Okay, then when it's all smashed together, we're going to take the juice of half a lemon. So this is going to make it feel even less sweet. It's funny that for a pastry chef, I don't like things over sweet. Okay. And now I'm going to put that onto the stove, cooking slowly. Okay, and during this time I'm going to make a dough. A sweet dough or a shortbread dough. Okay, so to make the shortbread dough, we have 250 grams of cake flour, and that's important. Don't use all-purpose, use cake flour. Then I'm going to add 150 grams of butter. And now, what I want to do here is really mix the butter and the flour. This is the techniques to have really a nice shortbread dough. So as soon as the little piece of butter starts to disappear, I'm going to add my sugar and the yolk. And if the dough doesn't come back together, I will add a tiny bit of very cold water. So you really want that dough to not come together. It's almost a crumble. That's what it's supposed to look like. Then I'm going to add my sugar and then the yolk. This is 1 tablespoon. I'm going to use that for the water. So I put 1 tablespoon and I'm going to see how the dough comes together. Okay, 1 more tablespoon. 2.5 tablespoons of water. And you see the dough barely hold together, and that's what you want. That's what's going to make a nice shortbread. I'm going to put that on the table. You see, it looks like something is wrong, but it's actually perfect like that. And don't overwork this dough. Just make it barely hold. Okay, so I'm going to cut some beautiful hearts. So if you're not confident to roll the dough in an even way, you can always put 2 little rulers on the side, put the rolling pin on top, and that will make everything the same thickness everywhere. You can even buy now some rolling pin with a little height on the side, and that helps a lot. Okay, so we're going to cut hearts. Okay, put that on the tray. So, I'm going to put those in the oven right away. I have 7. I'm going to do another tray now with the same quantity. Smell burn. Okay, our little hearts are out of the oven. So I'm going to, and I also stop cooking my jam. So the jam is ready. With an offset spatula, I'm going to put about a tablespoon, no, even a tablespoon of raspberry jam on top of each of the hearts. Try to keep the side as clean as you can. Okay, so now I'm going to flip those little hearts here, also upside down. So what you see, the color that you see here is the sugar. I use granulated sugar, and that helps that dough to break down and the sugar caramelize like that. So I'm going to use a little bit of powdered sugar. Okay. So when you take that, be careful that the inside is really clean. And then we can put that over the raspberry jam. Happy Valentine. Enjoy love.